Hi everyone, Jen Roque here at stampcampwithjen.com. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Summerfield, Florida, and today I am going to show you how to make these adorable desktop calendars. You can stand them up here and keep them at your desk, give them to a friend to keep at their desk all year long. So I made ones similar to this for my customers this year and they love them and they're so quick and easy, and I'm going to show you how to make these. And the first 15 people to place an online order of at least $35 or more in January will receive a card kit to make these. I only have 15, so that's why I limited it to 15 of these, but these would be great. I know you're going to get them a little later in January, so part of that month is already going to go by the time you get to make these, but these honestly would be so great to give to a neighbor or a friend or just keep on your desk. I am using the Field, let's see, I'm going to show you real quick. So the Flower and Field paper here that's free with $50, that's the background paper we're using today. And then this little die cut here is from page 39 with the Simply Succulents, the potted succulents dies, but the Simply Succulents bundle. So there's a lot of really great dies in here. So I'm going to show you today what you're going to get in your kit and then how to put this together. So remember, you have to place an order of at least $35 and use this host code. That's how I'll know that you want your kit. Okay. So when you get your kit, it's going to come in this fun little flamingo mailer. That's what I like to use to mail out things to you guys. So in your kit, you're going to get a piece of, this is 4 1/4 by 11-inch shaded spruce that I'm going to fold in half for you just to make it easier to fit in the packaging. This is one of the designs from that free designer series paper, and this is at, hold on, I have my little measurements. Where'd they go? Here we go. This one is 4 inches by 5 1/4, and these will all be pre-cut. This is exactly how your kit is going to come here. And then you're going to have another piece of shaded spruce, and this is going to have 3 score lines on it. Let me make sure you can see those. Yep. There are 3 score lines on there. I'm going to show you what to do with this piece as well. I'll have all the measurements on my blog for this in case you want to go back and make more later, but they'll all be pre-cut and pre-scored. And then you're going to get, I'm calling this like my little accessory bag. So this bag you're going to open up, and it's going to have another piece of shaded spruce. You'll have your tear-off calendar. I got these at Tailored Expressions. They come in a set of 10 for like $3, I think, but I'll put the link for those in my blog as well. And this little green piece that's going to be in your accessories bag is going to go behind this calendar. So those two go together. And then you will have the die cut from that Simply Succulents bundle. I'll already have it die cut for you. And then you'll have 2 of the blue adhesive back gems that we're going to use. And then your numbers from the Playful Alphabets dies. So I'm going to put most of these back in here because I don't want to lose those little pieces. I'm going to keep them in my bag, and that's what I would recommend you do too, is keep all of your little pieces in your bag until you pull them out. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to adhere this DSP. It's even got this cute like tulip green you could use if you want to keep it all kind of monotone color, but I like that little pop. So all you really need for this project, you're going to need some Stampin' Seal, you're going to need a bone folder, tear and tape or Stampin' Seal Plus, and some glue dots. That's what you need for this project. Everything else will be included in your kit. So we're just going to use Stampin' Seal on the back of this paper here. Make sure that your opening is at the bottom, and then we're going to line this up. Oops, not quite there. So there's a little bit of a border all the way around. Okay. And then we will take our calendar piece out. And we can assemble that. So take your little shaded spruce piece out of your baggie and your calendar. And then again, we're going to use our stamp and seal on the back of our calendar. And we are going to adhere that to the little shaded spruce piece. And then we're going to put more stamp and seal on the back of that. And what we're looking for is about an even border all the way around on the bottom and the side. So you just kind of eyeball it there. And that's that part for right now. Now we're going to use this little mechanism for the inside here. So we're going to put this aside. So what I like to do is we're going to fold the top and the bottom score piece up. And we're going to score it and burnish with our bone folder. And then with these little score pieces up, that middle piece we're going to kind of pop up to the front there. So this is called valley folding, is one of the more common terms for it. So if you're looking at it like this, it looks kind of like a W. That's how you want it to look to have it right side up. So what we're going to do is on these little pieces that we folded up, we're going to take our tear and tape. And we're going to apply a piece to both sides. So we're going to put one on the front. We're going to flip it over. So again, that little score piece is right there on the bottom. And then we're going to put another piece of tear and tape. Okay. Press that down. So I like to use my spatula piece for my take your pick tool and pull that up. If you have nails, you can do that too. So we're just going to remove one side, open our calendar up, and we're going to line this up just so there's a little bit of, not right to the edge, probably like a 1/4 inch from the bottom edge there. And you'll notice there's probably about 1/8 of an inch on either side too. It's not exactly as wide as your base. So you'll see that there's a little bit of an edge on either side. There's like 1/8 of an inch on either side, okay? And now we'll remove this backing piece. And then all you have to do is you just flip the top piece down and close it. And that's how you get your calendar closure at the bottom there. And as you see, it's still that W shape. Okay, so now we're gonna make our decoration for the front. And this is so quick and easy. I love this project. So what we're gonna do is take all of our little pieces out here. I'm gonna put them off to the side. And then you'll have this little baggie. You can, use it for some other sort of storage later on. Okay. So these pieces, these are Misty Moonlight, and I already have used adhesive sheets on the back of them and cut them out for you. So these are basically little stickers. I'm gonna put this off to the side actually. So these are going to, actually, before we do, well, no, we can do our numbers first. So since they're stickers, all you have to do is you take your pick tool and kind of lift up on the edge there and remove the backing. Oops. And then you center it as best you can. I like to kind of go out and work my way in just to make sure that they're centered correctly. So again, kind of go from a corner and push that backing off of there. I love those adhesive sheets because they're basically, like I said, like a sticker. Okay, and then we'll do, so I did my 2 and my 1, and now I'm working on my 0. I'm just pulling off that backing. Doing my best to line it up and make it even as best I can. But yeah, if you have nails, you could probably grab it that way, but I love this little take your pick piece. All you have to do is find an edge and just kind of push up on the edge there. All right. Actually turned out pretty good. So another good thing that this take your pick tool is for, you have this little putty edge here. So you can use it to push up against a rhinestone and it grabs it. And then I just like to put it right on either side here. Oops. Either side of this little die cut. I just thought that was so cute. I love those gems. I think they're so pretty and sparkly. Okay, so now we're gonna flip this over and we're gonna take 3 dimensionals and put them all through the center here. Remove the backing and then put that right in the top center there. Isn't that adorable? I love it. It's so quick, so easy. You could honestly get a bunch of these and knock them out and make a ton for friends and family to hand out to them as like a New Year's gift. So again, these calendar kits, I have 15 of them. So the first 15 people to place an online order of at least $35 using this host code will get one of these kits in the mail for free. I will ship these to you once your Stampin' Up! Order ships. And if you wait until January 5th when Sale-A-Bration starts, and place at least a $50 order, you'll be able to get this kit plus a free $50 Sale-A-Bration item. So you could get that paper as your free $50 Sale-A-Bration item. And you'll get my monthly free gift and you'll be able to earn a Campfire Badge. So if you can wait a couple days, it may be a good idea to wait until January 5th when Sale-A-Bration starts, and then you get all those free things and you'll just be able to stack your savings that way. So it's a great way to shop with me and earn more. So all right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you're looking forward to placing an order with me and earning one of these kits for free. And if you need any of the supplies for this project, I hope that you'll go to my online store and shop with me. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, to subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss a video. All right, guys, well, I hope you have a wonderful new year and you're really looking forward to Sale-A-Bration. I know I am. So I'll see you soon, and until next time, stay safe. Bye, guys. Happy stamping.